everyone, my name is Melissa and I am a parent of two. I'm originally from the Philippines and now living in Alberta, and I am at the corporate world. Sabihin ng mga almost 20 years, me and my husband. And then 2019 nung may opportunity na makabili kami ng restaurant. I was never a server before. Like I said, nasa corporate world ako. Pero si Ron, yung asawa ko, he has like more than 10 years, actually almost 20 years na experience sa kitchen. So 2019 nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na magkaroon ng restaurant. So binili namin siya to have our own company kasi nga when we first came to Canada, meron kaming nakausap. Siguro baka 1 week pa lang kami, tapos nagro-roam around kami sa town. Sabi nung nakausap namin, kasi immigrant kayo, kailangan tandaan nyo na kung ano yung skill nyo, dun kayo magsimula ng sa inyo. Tapos yun nga, na-experience namin na kahit na anong gawin mo dun sa company na pinagtatrabahuhan mo, hindi pa rin yun sa'yo. Sumusunod ka pa rin sa kung ano rules, ano standards, ano policy, sumusunod ka pa rin. So hindi pa rin yun sa'yo. So yeah, 2019 nung nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na mabili tong building na to. Yan. Actually, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of me and my husband kasi nga we came here sa Canada na with only 2 luggages. 2 luggages lang kami nag-start. Tapos over the years, syempre we work so hard. Ngayon, I'm proud to say na meron na kaming bahay, may sasakyan, nabibili naman yung mga gusto namin. Tapos yun nga, eto, sarili na namin tong building na to. We are really grateful to have this. Kasi nga, amin na, hindi ka na nagpa-follow ng rules. It's not easy, it's not mahirap kasi dahil sa amin yung restaurant, so sa iyo naka-feedback yung downfall nung company or not. So sino ba naman ang gusto na nagtayo ka ng sarili mong company tapos hindi magiging successful? So you'll try everything to have it successful. So 2019 when we acquired the restaurant, tapos nag-pandemic. So November, actually we just started November, tapos pandemic hits ng February. Imagine not naman struggle kasi the locals were very supportive kasi nga alam nila bago kami. So the locals supporting us, keep us going during the pandemic. So yeah, this is our restaurant outside yan. If you're going to watch all the other videos, you would be able to see inside. Lilinis lang ako dito sa labas, kaya nasa labas ako. So yes, if you have your own business, ikaw lahat ang mag-handle. I mean, pwede ka naman mag-hire, diba? Pero if you are just starting and then wanting to have save up para yung ibang pera mo, mabuhos mo pa sa ibang investment dito sa restaurant, then why not, right? So, we are the servers, the cleaner, the dishwasher, lahat ng pwede mong gawin. Like I said, when you are self-employed, you are really self-employed kasi lahat yon gagawin mo. So, I am here outside the restaurant and like I said, I'm very proud of me and my husband kasi nga, we started with 2 luggages. But then, life is getting expensive. Parang, kailangan mo pa rin ng extra source of income. So, me and my husband still looking for another extra income stream. Pero of course, because we are tied up at the restaurant, tapos we have 2 kids pa, we don't want to trade our time for money again. Kasi nga, time flies, kids grow so fast. Tapos, we wanna be every milestone, gusto namin present kami sa mga kids kasi mabilis ngang tumakbo ang panahon. So till we find out about digital marketing, it sounds overwhelming for me at the beginning kasi nga parang digital marketing unang-una parang I think this is for the younger kids, dun sa mga more on nasa tech savvy, sabihin na sila yung mas nakakaintindi nun. But then with digital marketing, sinubukan ko pa rin kasi nga ito yung nag-fit sa lifestyle ko. I checked the free masterclass and it was discussed there na I could work at my own pace tapos wala namang quota, tapos hindi naman ako mag-iisip ng product kasi everything is provided na. You could create your own product too, pero I'm still thinking on that. Pero ngayon, right now, I am promoting the digital marketing. So, yon yung side hustle ko. Kasi parang hindi siya ganun kahirap i-follow kasi nga may mentorship, may coaching, tapos all the videos provided has been step by step na pwede mong i-follow at i-post kung sakaling busy ka. So like I said, work at your own pace. Tapos I can do it everything. Yung mga content na ginagawa ko, I can do it during sa trip, sa travel namin from home to the restaurant. So it really works. It fits on my lifestyle. So I really cannot imagine na meron palang side hustle na pwede kong gawin na habang nasa restaurant, tapos while I am also attending with my kids. Yun lang. So if you wanted to have another side hustle for this, we have a free masterclass, free webinar that I could share to you the link. Let me know. Let's connect. And yeah, let's get this started because the right time is now. Yun lang. God bless us everyone.